Friends, welcome to Avivyakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode, we are going to see the banking abbreviations and other abbreviations. These types of abbreviations are generally asked in bank PO exams, clerical exams, or other competitive examinations. Here is the first abbreviation as AIFI. Its long form is All India Financial Institution. Financial institutions in India mainly comprises of the central bank, the commercial banks, the credit rating banks, SEBI, insurance companies, and the specialized financial institutions in India. The second one is CCIL, Clearing Corporation of India Limited. The Clearing Corporation of India Limited (CCIL) was set up in April 2001 for providing exclusive clearing and settlement for transaction in money and foreign exchange. The prime objective has been to improve efficiency in the transaction settlement process. Next abbreviation is RTGS. Its long form is Real Time Gross Settlement System. RTGS system was implemented in March 2004. It is owned and operated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. It is a systematically important payment system where the interbank payments settle on a real time. Next abbreviation is SSS, Security Settlement System. The Public Debt Office PDO of the RBI Mumbai manages and operates the security settlement system for the government securities. Next abbreviation is NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. It is a nationwide payment system facilitating one-to-one fund transfer. Individuals can transfer funds from any bank branch to any individual having bank account with any other bank branch in the country participating in the scheme. So NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. The next abbreviation is ANBC. ANBC is Adjusted Net Bank Credit. It is a net bank credit added to investments made by banks in non-SLR bonds, or it is the credit equivalent of off-balance sheet exposure, whichever is higher. ANBC is Adjusted Net Bank Credit. Next abbreviation is BCSBI. B stands for banking, C for codes, S for standards, B for boards, and I for India. So BCSBI is Banking Codes and Standards Boards of India. BCSBI is an independent and autonomous institutions to monitor and ensure that the banking codes and standards adopted by the banks are adhered to in true spirit while delivering their services.
Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.